Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting the row immediately below your headings so Excel knows the split point. Click that row number on the left. This tells Excel which rows remain fixed. Once done, make sure you're on the correct worksheet. Freezing applies per sheet, not workbook-wide, so pick the sheet where you want persistent headings. If your view is scrolled, press Ctrl plus Home to return to the top, then reselect the correct row to avoid freezing the wrong area. Next, go to the View tab on the ribbon and open the Freeze Panes menu. This is where the action happens. If you only want the very top row frozen, choose Freeze Top Row for a one-click result. However, if you selected a specific row or column intersection, choose Freeze Panes so Excel locks everything above and left of your selection. Make sure your selection reflects both rows and columns you want fixed. The menu applies precisely to that reference point. Finally, verify by scrolling. Your headings should remain visible while the rest of the sheet scrolls. If the result is wrong, return to View Freeze Panes, unfreeze, and reselect the correct row or cell, then apply Freeze Panes again. If freezing still fails, check for split panes, hidden frozen rows, or sheet protection. These can prevent freeze panes from working. One key tip: remove any active split view before freezing to avoid unexpected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.